Ian Kaplan, program designer at Apex, talking to you guys today about tempo. Tempo is something we use at Apex to control our exercise prescription. We use it to learn movements better, increase the kind of demand on muscles, and to protect us from injury. So here we have two examples of tempo. This one reads back squat, 3 sets of 5 at 30x1. We'll go over what that means exactly, and pull-ups 5x5 at 2112. So with a back squat, the first number is the lowering tempo, so it takes you 3 seconds to go down, 0 seconds in the bottom, so for most people that means bounce. X is explode, as in move with intent as fast as you can. 1 is 1 second pause at the top, so basically just enough to feel yourself at the top. With pull-ups, we have a 2 second lowering, so we actually start at that third number, which is the pulling up tempo, the concentric portion of the movement. So we pull up in 1 second, hold at the top in 2, and then we go back to the first number, which is the lowering tempo. And then we spend 1 second at the bottom again just to kill momentum. So the highlights of this movement, you would kind of just see, oh, I have to lower myself slowly over 2 seconds and hold at the top for 2 seconds. And the 1 second is just displaying control. All right, here we have some examples of back squats at 30x1 tempo. So we're gonna go through, I'm gonna count for Rosa just so you guys can get a feel of it. She's gonna unrack the bar. She's gonna go down 1, 1000, 2, 1000, 3, 1000, explode up with intent, hold for 1 second, back down. 1, 1000, 2, 1000, 3, 1000, up. Explode with intent, back down. One more rep. 1, 2, 3, explode up. And that's back squats at 30x1 tempo. All right, here we have an example of pull-ups at a 2112 tempo. So Harley's gonna jump up. He's gonna pull up for 1 second, hold for 2 at the top, lower himself for 2 seconds, down 2, 1 second at the bottom, 1 second up. Hold for 1, 2, down, 1, 2. So he can jump down now, he's done. The highlights of that movement are the 2 second hold at the top and 2 seconds on the way down. The reason why we love tempo training, we think you should incorporate this into your training program, is threefold. One, people learn movements by doing them slowly. It allows your brain time to kind of work through the patterns and develop variable ways of accomplishing the same movement task. That's called cortical learning. So you actually get better at the movement over time. Another thing is it allows your tendons and ligaments to also get stronger with your muscles, and allows you to challenge your muscles under lighter weight by increasing the amount of time that they're working under tension. So in short, what that does is allows you to get stronger, faster, and safer, and allows you to get better at whatever you're getting better at, so you can achieve your fitness goals.